Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. Just a quick video to show you what you actually get in the box with the Quicrun-10BL120 ESC. It's a censored one or sensorless. And we've got the Quicrun 3650 10.5 turn censored brushless motor. Got these from RD Models. So again, link will be in the description below where we got these from. And quite cheap compared to running the XR10 and stuff like that. And we're going to be putting this combo in the XT2 X-Ray two-wheel drive little truggy. So let's get you in for a close-up look. Right, so this is the 10BL120 speed controller and the 3650 G2 Quicrun censored motor, 10.5 turn. So we'll have a quick look what we get in the box on these. So with the motor itself, you get the Quicrun motor, and you get some extra ones of these little gold sort of retaining things, and basically that's because you can solder to each one of these and then they pull off, so you can swap them out. So it saves having to solder motor in permanently. You do get the sensor wire with the little 10.5 turn motor. And if we have a look what we get in the speed controller, so we do get the speed controller itself, we get some instructions and some stickers and a few tie wraps. We get a little sticky pad for mounting the ESC and the switch down, and you get some heat shrink, so that'll come in useful when we put this together. You do get the cap pack already soldered on in place, and you get the 3 wires that are surprisingly long, but 3 wires for the motor, 2 wires for your battery, and you do have to supply your own connections for the battery. It does come with a little fan on it, and it's got the sensor port. They are 120 amp ESCs, and it's quite a nice little setup. And these are programmed through the servo cable, so easy to set these up. You can program them, I believe, through the button and the switch, but it's easier to do it with a programming box, and we have got one of them that's compatible with the Quicrun ESCs. So I will do a video once we've built the X-Ray up that all the bits are around here for. So let's wrap this one up. So there you go. They make a quite nice little pair for a 1/10 truggy. Pretty reasonably priced, really easy to get hold of. You can program the ESC through button pressing. I'll be using the little programming box for it, little LCD programming box, because you can't use the Wi-Fi Express or Bluetooth with these, or plug them into the computer and do it that way, but you can use the little LED programming box, so we'll be using that. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you find this type of video useful, interesting or entertaining, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.